Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best magic mushroom grow kit is probably one of the most exciting and accessible ways for enthusiasts to explore the fascinating world of mycology right from their own homes, offering a unique opportunity to witness the life cycle of these intriguing fungi firsthand and potentially cultivate their own psilocybin-containing mushrooms, which are gaining attention for their therapeutic potential and are being studied for their effects on mental health and well-being, making this kit a gateway to both personal discovery and a deeper understanding of nature's complex organisms. Number 5. Magical 5 pounds all-in-one mushroom grow bag. Discover the magic of growing your own mushrooms with our all-in-one grow bag. It's designed for ease of use, making it perfect for beginners and experienced growers alike. This kit comes ready to use, featuring a breathable filter and injection port. It's fully hydrated and sterilized, saving you time and effort. It's ideal for a wide range of gourmet or medicinal mushroom genetics. Simply provide your preferred strains to get started. With 5 pounds of perfectly balanced substrate, this bag is designed for optimal speed and yield. You'll love the results you achieve. Our pre-sterilized bags arrive ready for inoculation. We include clear instructions, so no special skills or equipment are required. Our testing shows you can harvest 3 ounces or more from each bag. The exact yield will depend on the mushroom variety and growing conditions. What we like. This all-in-one grow bag is fully hydrated, sterile, and ready to use right out of the box. It's designed for speed and yield, making it ideal for both new and experienced growers. If you're looking for a convenient and high-yielding option for dung-loving varieties, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit is easy to use and has clear instructions. I was able to grow multiple flushes of mushrooms with this kit. The mycelium colonized the substrate quickly and efficiently. Number 4. Clean Nutraceuticals 20-in-1 Mushroom Supplement. Experience enhanced focus and mental clarity with our advanced mushroom blend. This powerful formula is designed to support your brain health and cognitive function. Discover the synergistic power of 20 potent mushroom varieties, including lion's mane, turkey tail, and reishi. Each ingredient is carefully selected for its unique benefits. Boost your body's natural defenses with this comprehensive immune-supporting supplement. It helps to strengthen your immune system for overall well-being. Feel revitalized and energized with our natural mushroom complex. It provides sustained vitality without the jitters or crash. Crafted with the highest quality ingredients, our supplement offers a pure and potent blend. You can trust in its effectiveness and natural goodness. Incorporate this easy-to-take supplement into your daily routine. It's the perfect addition to support your health and wellness goals. What we like. This supplement offers a comprehensive blend of 20 different mushroom varieties, including popular medicinal and gourmet types. If you're seeking a wide-ranging mushroom supplement for overall wellness and a variety of benefits, this product is an excellent choice. What people say. The kit is very easy to use, even for beginners. The instructions were clear and concise, making the growing process straightforward. I was impressed with the quality of the mycelium, which colonized the substrate quickly and evenly. Number 3. FreshCap Mushrooms Ultimate Mushroom Supplement. Discover the power of nature's finest. Our premium supplement is crafted to help you achieve peak performance. Experience the concentrated goodness of 12:1 fruiting body extract. It's packed with beneficial compounds for your well-being. Benefit from a potent 29% concentration of beta-glucans. This key ingredient supports your body's natural defenses. Feel a natural surge in energy and mental clarity. It's designed to sharpen your focus throughout the day. Give your immune system the support it deserves. This supplement works to keep you feeling your best. Rest assured with our commitment to quality. Each batch is third-party tested for purity and potency. What we like. This supplement is made from organic mushroom fruiting bodies and boasts a high concentration of beta-glucans for immune support. It's also formulated to provide nootropic benefits like enhanced energy and focus. If you're looking for a potent, organic mushroom supplement to boost your immune system and cognitive function, consider this option. What people say. The kit is designed for beginners and includes everything needed to start growing mushrooms at home. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the process straightforward even for those with no prior experience. The kit comes with a sterile substrate that is pre-colonized with mushroom mycelium, ensuring a high success rate. Number 2. Myco Labs Growers Select Mushroom Monotub. Introducing the Growers Select Monotub, custom-molded for durability and quality. It's designed to fit any size grow, ensuring a great experience. Experience optimized air exchange with strategically placed filter discs. This ensures your mushrooms have the best possible environment to thrive. This chamber offers ideal dimensions for prolific bulk grows. Its generous volume provides ample space for your cultivation projects. Easily manage airflow during the incubation phase with the included hole plugs. Guarantee optimal growth conditions from the start. Designed to be stackable and incredibly sturdy, it can support significant weight. You can stack up to 10 bins securely. Manufactured using high-density polypropylene, this product promises exceptional durability. It's built to last through many grows. What we like. This monotub is manufactured from high-density polypropylene, ensuring durability and quality for your mushroom grows. It features optimized air exchange and a stackable design for efficient storage and expansion. If you need a sturdy, long-lasting fruiting chamber with excellent environmental controls for bulk grows, this is a great pick. What people say. This kit is very easy to use, even for beginners. The mushrooms grew quickly and were of good quality. The instructions were clear and helpful. Number 1. Myco Labs Mushroom Monotub Grow Kit. Start growing your own dumb-loving edible or medicinal mushrooms right in your home. This kit includes everything you need to get started, just add your spore syringe or liquid culture. This kit comes with a specially designed monotub featuring built-in airflow and humidity controls. It also includes sterile substrate, a grain spawn bag with an injection port, and vermiculite for optimal growth. We've included self-adhesive filters and incubation plugs to keep contaminants out. These maintain proper humidity, airflow, and gas exchange for a successful grow. Achieve the ideal spawn-to-substrate ratio by inoculating the grain bag, and once colonized, mixing it with the bulk substrate for a perfect 3-layer system. Your kit contains the monotub bin, bulk substrate, sterilized grain spawn bag, vermiculite casing layer, filters, incubation plugs, a spray mister, and a monotub liner. The monotub measures 18L x 15.5 W x 12H. Remember to add the vermiculite casing layer only after full colonization and pinning, keeping it hydrated during fruiting. What we like. This is a complete mushroom grow kit specifically designed for dun-loving varieties, including the monotub itself. It provides everything you need except for spores, making it incredibly convenient. If you're eager to grow dun-loving mushrooms indoors and want a hassle-free, all-inclusive starter kit, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The kit is designed for ease of use, making it suitable for beginners. It includes all necessary components for successful mushroom cultivation. The instructions provided are clear and comprehensive, guiding users through each step. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.